Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Amrit. Today I share with you how you can create this beautifully moon effect on your any image. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download this image, link in the description. In first step, you have to go to the adjustment layers and select here this solid color layer. With this solid color layer, we can adding here a black color. Just selecting here this black color and click on this OK button. Now this black color is added. Now just go to side panel and select here this ellipse tool. With this we can creating here a moon. Just hold a shift key and just drag on this black color layer. I am just creating here this size of moon. After this just select a move tool and adjust its size. I am just adjust it into a center, or you can increase its size from a corner. Just press Alt key to increase its size from a corner. Now this moon is added. Just double click on it and change here its moon color to a white. I am selecting this white color. After this just click on this OK button. Now you can see here this circle shape of the moon is created. Now I am just change its name to a moon. Now just press Ctrl key and click on this moon thumbnail and just go to the adjustment layers and click on this mask button. With this mask is added on this moon layer. Now just select this background layer and just press Ctrl J to make another copy of this and adjust it to a top of the moon layer, and I am just change its name to a subject. And now just go to side panel and select here this quick selection tool. With the quick selection tool we can make here a selection of this subject. You can make its selection manually, or you can just click on this select subject. When you click on this select subject, with this our selection is automatically created. You can see here with the selection active, just go to the adjustment layers and click on this mask button. With this this subject image is cut according to this selection which we created. Now I am just select this subject layer and selecting a move tool, and I am adjust its size according to this moon layer. I am just adjust its size here. Now just go to the adjustment layers and select here this solid color, and you can select here this black color and click on this OK button. Now you can see here our all document is turned into a black. Don't worry, just right click on it, color fill layer 2, and select here this clipping mask. When you click on this clipping mask, this is only limited to our this subject layer. Now you can see here this moonlight effect is added. To make it more beautiful and realistic, just select here this moon layer and just select here this mask, and you can just increase here its feather. I am just increasing here its feather, and you can also decrease or increase here its density. When you decrease here its density, the more white color is visible. When you increase it, with this this is looking some faded look. Now you can see here this final result. This is before, this is after creating this beautifully moon effect on this image. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.